What's the lowest you'll sell it for? Cause there's no way I'm gonna spend $1,300 on this. Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Liz, aka MotoBroo, and as you've seen from the title, we are buying a new dirt bike today. We got the cash right here, brother. So let's go to the seller, check out this bike, and see if it's worth it. So gang, we just got here. Homie got the CRF 70. I didn't even tell you what bike it is, but it's a CRF 70 inside, and hopefully she running smooth. I'm pretty excited. I'm really hoping this thing runs smooth because I want to add another little mini bike to the family. Well, you know, we got the 50. Now we got to step it up to the 70. We can scrape this bike. The 50 we can't scrape, so it's gonna be sick. So she runs good and everything?
Yeah. Starts up first kick. I haven't had no problem.
It's smoothing though, the throttle and everything?
Yeah, it's brand new throttle.
Okay.
Brand new handlebars, grips.
We got the damn chopper over us, bro. Yeah, for real, they're looking.
I was loading it. I realized it has a flat. I haven't used it. So.
You got a flat?
Still running, man.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna test it out. My main thing is just that the motor's smooth. That, like, you know, it's not bogging out like crazy or anything like that. Yo, here we have it, CRF 70. Say gas is on. This is choke up now. Oh hell, this thing barely goes, bruh. This shit boggy as hell. Hell no. It's pretty boggy.
I mean, I didn't do no adjustments.
No, I know, but I'm just saying it ain't really running too nice.
That's for me, I'd be on it for hours.
Nah, but I mean, there's a difference, like it running smooth and bogging out every gear, you know? Let me keep going. Let me see if I run it. It might just be because it's cold. And the shit flat, bro. Makes it hard as hell to ride.
I don't know how the hell that happened.
Yeah. Right? And throttle cable's a little short.
Yeah, like I said, I haven't done no adjustments when I put the cable and all that shit. So
Yeah.
there's little shit you gotta put.
Hell no. He said, you got a flat tire? No shit, brother. Yeah, bro. What's the lowest you'll sell it for? Cause there's no way I'm gonna spend $1,300 on this. Cause this, you heard me?
Yeah, I'm listening.
What well, I mean, got a flat, bro. It's the carb is, it's running like rough. What are you thinking? You said what?
13's pretty low.
You said 13 is low, bro. Come on, bro. This shit ain't even, it got a flat. It ain't even running. It's bogging. No, I know, but this shit's 2006. If it was running perfect, I would have gave you $1,300 right now, but it got a flat. I mean,
$30 fix.
huh?
$30 fix.
It's not even about the $30 fix. It's about I can't even ride the bike to test it out. Feel me? All right, well, hey, you can keep it. I understand it. Yeah, you can keep the thing. It's not for me. I appreciate you coming out, but it's just not really what I expected. So if you get it running tip top, let me know. I'm here to buy it. Yo, come on, bro. As he comes in with a flat, dog. I ain't with that shit, bro. Like, you say it's running good. and then boom, the ain't running good. Like, y'all seen that? It came with a flat, bro. Who the f brings a bike with a flat and doesn't tell that it has a flat tire? Like, dude, he's just wasting my time, bro. He's probably gonna see this video, but like, no hate or anything, but bro, like, come on, like, got a flat, it's not even running, it's bogging out. Like, homie was looking at me weird, bruh. Maybe because I'm talking to a camera in the car. Hey, hope I got everything, dude. I just dipped out. I was like, he was starting to piss me off a little, bro. Like, the way he was acting, like, I felt like he was acting like I was making a big deal how it has a flat and it doesn't run good. And I'm like, dude, you're selling this for $1,300. It said $1,500 on the listing, $1,300. And I was like, all right, I'll do $1,300 if this runs good, you know? I get there, it has a flat and it don't run good, man. All right, if anyone got CRS70 out there, hit me up, bro. All right, bro, I'm getting my thoughts together. I had to let that little rant out, bro. But it's like, I don't know. I know you never know what to expect on the Facebook Marketplace, like, but in the pictures it looked good. In person it looked good too, but like, that thing was just running terrible. Like, it was bogging. Right when I put it in second gear, like, I couldn't even give it no gas. It kept bogging out. And the thing is, like, I couldn't even really warm the bike up because it has a flat tire. That's why I was saying, like, bro, you brought it with a flat tire. Like, how am I supposed to try out the bike and it has a flat tire, dude? God damn, bro. I'm on one right now. Alright, I'll see y'all at the cribbo, bro. Alright, gang, so it's the next day. I'm still a little bit bummed out about the CRS70. I really wanted that CRS70. It's a bummer that it wasn't running good and had a flat. I appreciate that homie coming out and showing me that bike. I definitely was a little pissed yesterday, as you can see. I just, like, the whole interaction and stuff, I was just like, I don't know, I felt some type of way about it. But, you know, it's the next day. We're still looking for a CRS70. Don't worry. Your boy's gonna cop one eventually. I guarantee you I will find one and we will be scraping it. That's the whole reason I want this CRS70, is to scrape it. As you guys know, we got the 50 right behind me and you can't scrape it. Like, it's so hard to scrape. You can scrape it if you're 50 Dane, but I ain't 50 Dane, so I can't scrape it, you feel me? But the CRS70 is just a little bit longer, so you can scrape it. It's a little bit bigger. I was watching the WC Cody video of him riding it, and he just inspired me to get one. I was like, bro, I got the 50. I need to step it up, go to the 70, and then after the 70, you already know we got to get a 110. But yeah, it was definitely a bummer that happened yesterday. But hey, if you're watching this video, bro, and you're trying to shred sometime, hit me up, bro. I'll shred with you, and you could be on your CRS70. we could vibe out and do some adventures. As you see to my right, we got the Subi. She is running like a champ. I don't know if I'm gonna make it into a drift car. I know I made a video about that, how I wanted to make it into a drift car, but I just figured it's probably best to get like a 350Z instead of converting this beautiful WRX like rear wheel drive and mess it up and start getting tons of problems with the axles and stuff. I just don't want to deal with that. And like, literally, that thing is my baby. I've always wanted a freaking old WRX since I could drive, bro. Like, since I started driving, I was like, bro, one day I'm gonna have me an old freaking Subi, and that moment is here. But yeah, thank you guys so much for the support. I freaking love you. Got merch in the description down below. Till next time, peace.